Imagine spending countless hours choosing the perfect neuroscience software, only to find yourself lost and frustrated, struggling to make it work. What if the most powerful tool becomes a roadblock simply because you cannot understand how to use it? Documentation profoundly affects neuroscience software selection because it directly dictates the usability, learnability, and long-term viability of the tool for your research. Without clear and comprehensive documentation, even the most advanced software can be rendered ineffective, wasting valuable time and resources. The primary reason documentation is so critical is its role in bridging the gap between software functionality and user understanding. High-quality documentation acts as an instructional guide, a troubleshooting manual, and a reference library all in one. It empowers researchers to quickly learn the software, implement complex analyses, and interpret results correctly. Conversely, poor documentation creates a steep learning curve, increases the likelihood of errors, and hinders collaborative efforts, ultimately diminishing the software's true value. When evaluating neuroscience software, always scrutinize the documentation for completeness and clarity. Look for detailed user manuals, extensive application programming interface references, and practical tutorials with working examples. Good documentation should also feature clear installation guides, version-specific details, and explanations of underlying algorithms or methodologies. Prioritize software with documentation that is regularly updated and easily accessible. Consider documentation as an integral part of the software's ecosystem, enabling not just individual use but also fostering community support and reproducible science. Software that integrates its documentation with version control systems, sometimes called documentation as code, often indicates a high level of development maturity and commitment to user success. This approach ensures that the documentation evolves alongside the software itself, preventing outdated instructions. Ultimately, prioritizing robust documentation during the software selection process is not just about avoiding immediate frustration. It is about ensuring the efficiency, accuracy, and long-term success of your neuroscience research. Strong documentation transforms a complex tool into an accessible and powerful asset, directly impacting your ability to achieve meaningful scientific breakthroughs.